welcome back to my channel. Happy first of the month, pinch and a punch for the first of the month. I thought I'd just vlog my day today. It's another lockdown vlog. We're still in lockdown here in Sydney, Australia. The months of October, November and December are the busiest in terms of content. I don't know if other content creators would agree, but I feel like, yeah, there's just a lot of, oh, my eye's stinging. There's a lot of work to do, I think, in the build up to Christmas. So yeah, I feel like there's a lot of content to create, except there's been so many delivery delays that I haven't got any of the actual products to make the content with. But I'm going to film a curly reel using Moroccan oil products, which I love. I tried them out a while ago. I think I did a YouTube video trying them out and they reached out to me, so I was so excited. So yeah, I'll show you the products, and then if you want to see how I use them and stuff for my curls, head over to my Instagram. But yeah, my hair needs a serious wash. It was so frizzy, I think because it's been raining the past 2 days, and let me know if you guys can relate. But even if I don't go outside, if it's raining, my hair just frizzes up. Dear Olivia, please enjoy your new curl range. We can't wait to see your beautiful content. Thank you, Moroccan oil. This is one of my favorite hairsprays to use. So after I wash and style my hair, I use hairspray just to set the curls in place and make them last longer. In the shower, I'm going to use that shampoo and conditioner. We've also got a mask to try, and then we have curl defining cream, mousse, and an intense curl cream, and then also a treatment oil. Let's do it. Hello, so I just got out of the shower. My hair is washed, it's wet, but I'm going to do my makeup now and then film me styling my hair for the reel, so that just so I feel cute while I'm styling my hair. I also put some fake tan on, which I haven't done for a while, just to feel a little bit more glowy. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty hydrating foundation with some of the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush flawless foundation. I think, yeah, Charlotte Tilbury, just because that's a bit darker, so I'm going to mix it. I think that's a bit too much. Got a bit excited. It's a bit dark, a bit orange. Okay, I just had to take that off because that was too dark, so I'm just going to go in with the Fenty Beauty in the shade 300. Then I'm using the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shades Warm Beige. When we bought this house, the vents in the bathroom weren't working, so like every time we had a shower, everything would just stay wet. It was gross, like you couldn't see yourself in the mirror when you came out of the shower because all the moisture just like stayed in the bathroom, because normally a working vent would suck up all the moisture, but there was just so much condensation, and then it just took forever to find someone to fix it. Like especially during COVID, none of like air conditioning ventilation people were responding to us, and like they would say they would do it and then they just wouldn't pick up the phone. And then finally we found someone good that came in and then checked it out, and they fixed it the same day. It took like 3 hours for them to fix it, but now when I have a shower I can actually see myself in the mirror when I come out, and it doesn't smell like wet towels all the time. So yeah, that's the house update for you. We got the vents fixed, but now the next step is to get the aircon fixed. We're supposed to be out of lockdown by Fabian's birthday, so I've booked something really exciting for then. Hopefully it goes through and I can vlog it. And then I'm also looking at booking a summer trip for my birthday in November, which I will vlog as well if it all goes ahead. Look at this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, it's stunning. Love this, it's so big as well. But yeah, I'm just so keen for summer. I'm sick of being cold all the time and having to wear socks, and just, yeah, I hate being cold. I just love summer because you can just chuck on a dress, go outside and feel comfortable. So the product I used on my lips is the Fenty Beauty cream in Honey Waffles. Love this shade, it's kind of like an orangey brown. And I've been using this nail polish from Sally Hansen. It's the shade Nude Trowel 143. I just like it because it dries really quickly, so I always just put this over my nails when I have to do videos where you can see my hands. So my hair's done, it's all dried, styled, it's looking good. It's feeling really defined and shiny. Does anyone else get really angry and impatient when they're hungry? I'm about to eat and I'm like shaking, I'm that hungry, but there was like a point in the video where my hair wasn't sitting the way I wanted, and I was like, ah! So yeah, I get really hangry. I'm going to heat up some leftover spaghetti bolognese. I eat a lot of pasta for leftovers for lunch. And then I've got to shoot a bikini, so I'll get back to you soon. I just got this tracksuit in the mail. I did a little splurge at Crop Shop Boutique because they had some new pieces and I just love the colours, but I got this blue tracksuit set and now I want to get every other colour because it's so comfy, it fits really nice. Because I went up a size I was worried it wouldn't fit, but it's like the perfect fit. I don't want like trackies and stuff to be too tight because I want them to be comfy. But the delivery service, it was different to Ozpost. It was like a different one that I've never seen before, and luckily they take photos of when they've delivered a parcel, because it said your Crop Shop Boutique parcel has been delivered, and I was like, oh, weird, because I didn't hear any postman at the door. So then I like went outside and just checked if they put it somewhere else, and then like checked my neighbours if it went there, and there was nothing. And so I went back and checked the photo that he took, and the number on the door was not my door. So then I quickly ran to that number house, and luckily it was still there, so I just like went and took it. I was like, I hope no one saw me and thought I was stealing their parcel. But yeah, silly postman. Now I'm going to edit some videos. I'm feeling so tired.
What vlog is this?
This is just a chill lockdown vlog.
Last week of lockdown, really.
Yeah, we've got one more week of lockdown and then we're supposedly free.
Oh, my TikTok is Fella Fabs, spelled F-E-L-L-A, Fabs, and my Instagram, I actually don't know my Instagram, is it Fabscarny or Fab.Scarny or something like that? But yeah, you should definitely follow me if you care about stuff. But when I do post, it's quality, okay? That's what I'm about.
To end this vlog, I'm going to do a quick try on haul because I got lots of clothes that I want to try on with you guys.
How exciting, I can't wait.
Should we get Fabian to rate them?
Yeah, 100%.
Let's do it! Woo! So it's a public holiday, that's why Fabian is able to be in the vlog.
I know, how excitement.
Okay, this first dress is from Dish. I'm a bit short for it because it goes all the way down to my feet, but if I wear heels, it'll be fine. I think this is a stunning dress. The material is really nice and heavy, and I like the tie at the back because it like cinches in your waist from the front, so it just fits you nicely.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of, no, be honest, you don't like it.
I like it. I love it. I like these buttons. Yeah.
The way it flows.
Yeah, the flow of it and the collar, very smart.
Next. Okay, next we have this linen set from Dish. This stuff is all gifted, which I'm very grateful for, but we've got this cute crop with a zip at the back. What do you think?
Where would you wear that outfit? I mean that outfit.
Wait, there's one more thing to the outfit. There's also this shirt.
I like the shirt.
He doesn't look impressed. The pants have pockets. I think I would wear this to like day drinks, a bar with like heels. That's summer.
Cute.
Near
I
the
could
beach.
even wear that. I could even wear that. Let me put that on.
It actually kind of fits.
Yeah.
It's just short. Needs a bit of an iron, but we've got this midi dress, also from Dish.
You look like Cinderella before she went to the ball. Feel like you need to scrub some floors in that dress.
That's so mean. I have this dress in the burnt orange rust colour and it's so pretty, I love it.
No, it's very nice. I think you look beautiful in this.
Actually?
Yeah.
It just needs an iron, obviously. But it's just that linen.
Yeah, it looks it's very summery.
Very summery. I like the little cutouts and that you don't have to wear a bra, it's just like really comfy.
I give this one an 8 out of 10.
Also, my face looks really pale.
Okay.
So moving on to Forever New, they sent me some cute outfits. This is the first one I've tried on.
I like the colour. I don't know what's going on here with all the crinkles.
That's the style, I think. It's
I
like
know it's the style. It's
like it's not supposed to be straight.
It looks like you got gills. I like it.
But this gives me like 70s vibes.
Yeah. Give it a 7.
7. I don't know if you'll like this one.
You suit it. You look good. I think you look good in it.
Thanks. This is Forever New as well, and then I just put this nude top on from Princess Polly. Forever New. I think I'd use a different top, but it reminds me of Pretty Woman.
Oh yeah.
Like 90s.
I give you that one an 8.
8! These pants desperately need an iron. They've got like the creases in the middle. Forever new again, this green gingham baby doll top, I think they're called. And then these white pants are nice and stretchy. They just need an iron.
I like the pants, not sure about the top.
He doesn't like the top.
It's cute, but I don't know.
Okay.
I just don't know how I feel about it.
Let me know what you guys think. I thought it was cute, but I was also like, yeah, it might look a bit funny.
I'll give it a 6.
So this was the least favourite outfit, guys.
Yeah, I think it's just, I don't know, something about it. I feel like it might just be a bit plain. Now you have to rate my outfit.
Well, I bought that top, didn't I? Yeah. I bought that top from Zara, so 10 out of 10. And then I also got those shorts. I didn't buy them though, they were a gift.
10 out of 10 outfit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Except green and grey don't really go together. Like this would look better with like some white linen shorts or some denim. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!
Oh, see ya, bye!